Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unfreeze your Venmo account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, in order to unfreeze your account, what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is venmo.com/addfunds. You can also find this link on my description box below, and once you do that, you'll be directed to the page where you need to log in into your account. So you can either enter your email address, mobile number or username in order to log in, and then tap on next, and on the other interface you need to enter your password associated to your Venmo account. So after that, you'll be logged into your account, and on this page what you need to do is you need to transfer the fund in order to unfreeze your Venmo account. And as soon as you're logged in, a pop-up will appear right in center, and from there you need to select the bank account from where you want to transfer the funds. And as you select the bank account, you need to make sure that you've already verified your bank account. Only then you'll be able to add fund or transfer fund into your Venmo account. As you do that, next interface you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer it to your bank account in order to unfreeze it. And after you transfer the fund, within 2 to 3 days your account will be unfreezed. Now this is one way on how you can unfreeze your. There are various methods which you can give it a try. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.